Includes table and 4 chairs. Rounded corners for extra safety. Made of wood with durable, child-safe painted finish. Assembly required. Includes detailed, step-by-step instructions. Measurements. Table, 23.7 by 23.7 by 19.6. Chair, 11.5 by 11.5 by 21.5. Seat, 11h. Top reviews from the United States. Good. Easy to build. Looks good. Easy to build. The table subs as a great end table once it "s too small and the chairs can take adult weight." Update 5 years later. Great purchase. Zero regrets. Really solid construction, durable. The table is pretty resistant to stains. Managed to clean it very thoroughly with a bit of alcohol. Donated to a friend.